Pantherware LLC, and we just watched the Amazon Prime version of War of the Worlds film, and it was entertaining. It wasn't that bad. It felt short, but that's probably why I wasn't in the theaters. And it, like I said, it was good. I gave it a thumbs up. Um, what was interesting about it is that Ice Cube was the DHS agent, the uh, the data scientist, I believe, um, who had permissions to do any and everything on the computer, which was crazy. Um, as this ChatGPT says, it was like Screen Life. There's been a couple of movies like that. That's perfect for side projects for actors. You don't have to go on set. You just be at one place and they just cut you up in a small screen video and do a lot of special effects. So that's what they did. Some were outside, not too far, um, but everything was mostly CGI. But it was a compelling story. It was well written. Ice Cube did really well, just him and the screen. His reactions were authentic. He still kept his Bama uh, accent, his South Central LA accent. I think he still called it Bama. His reactions were good. Face was intense, you know, and it looked like he was really the one typing the codes and all the information. So that was cool. That was believable. Um, Heavy Amazon product placement. You think so? ChatGPT? Okay, I didn't see that much of it. Oh, the Amazon drone. My bad. Yeah, that was funny. If you didn't see it yet, I don't want to give away the clues, but oh yeah, the Amazon drone and a $1,000 Amazon gift card. I forgot about that. But that was only the only thing. For the most part, that was Amazon placement. They use a lot of technology, and the only gripe I have for this technology-wise, because I've been in tech since the '90s, professionally, um, is that when they were talking to the officials, government officials using Microsoft Teams, but to do a video, they went to Zoom, which is funny because Microsoft Teams has a video feature. I've used it at work with executives, multiple executives in a group. So that was funny. But besides that, it was authentic. It was realistic. I liked it, and I mean, you might like it too. Let me know. Anthony F. Pantherware LLC.